In this video, I will show you step by step how you can stream directly to YouTube through OBS. So the first thing we need to do to be able to stream directly to YouTube is go to settings in the bottom right hand corner. And then we want to go to the left hand sidebar here and then select stream. From here you want to go to service and then you want to click on YouTube. And then what we need to do is we need to connect our account or use a stream key. OBS do recommend connecting your account, so that's the one that we will use in today's video, and that's the one that is the most easiest. Now click on connect account. That will then bring up a new window right here, and then you want to select the account that you want to stream to. So for example, if I just click on this one, that will then bring me over to this page. Select the channel that you want to stream to, and then again you want to select continue. Now once you do this, as you can see, authorization completed successfully. We can now close this page and head back over to OBS. Once we come back right here, as you can see, the account is now connected to our OBS. And then what you'll need to do is you will need to set up a broadcast on your YouTube channel. So if we click on start streaming, you will then be able to click on manage broadcast, and then you want to enter in all of the different information into these boxes. Once you've done that, you will then be able to click on create broadcast. And then as you can see, your YouTube chat will then be displayed right here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can stream directly to YouTube through OBS.